Perfectly roasted turkey, covered versus uncovered.
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the age-old question: how long should I cook a turkey if it's covered or uncovered? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to time your turkey roasting for that perfect centerpiece on your festive table. Let's jump right in.
Why does covering matter?
Covering a turkey while it cooks can keep it moist, prevent excessive browning, and allow it to cook more evenly. However, an uncovered turkey can get that crispy, golden brown skin that many people love. The choice to cover or uncover impacts the cooking time and the end result.
How long to cook a covered turkey?
For a covered turkey, 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. 2. For turkeys weighing up to 16 pounds, cook for about 15 minutes per pound. 3. For turkeys weighing over 16 pounds, cook for about 12 minutes per pound. 4. Always use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature of the turkey reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the thigh. Pro tip: add a bit of broth or water at the base of your roasting pan to keep the bird moist.
How long to cook an uncovered turkey?
For an uncovered turkey, 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. 2. For all turkey sizes, aim for about 15 minutes per pound. 3. Monitor the turkey to ensure the skin doesn't brown too quickly. If it does, you can loosely cover it with foil. 4. As with a covered turkey, make sure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, in the thickest part of the thigh. Pro tip: basting the turkey periodically can help achieve a golden brown finish without drying it out. Whether you choose to cook your turkey covered or uncovered, the key is to monitor its internal temperature and ensure it's cooked thoroughly. We hope this guide helps you present a perfect turkey at your next feast. Happy cooking, and enjoy your meal!